Okay, so these little hints and tips are just to help keep track of the million little things that we have going on that sometimes get stuck in our heads, but then we forget about them. So if you come in here to your Gmail and you look over on the side, there's three little icons that you can use. First, there's your calendar icon. So you get a quick look at the day instead of having to go back and forth to your calendar all the time if you just want to look at the day. Or there is a notes place where you can take notes, write little notes to yourself if you want to see them. You can only see these when your Gmail is open, or you're online. So you can also, if you want to work offline, you have sticky notes that you could write things on. I keep notes and other things on there. And then you also have tasks where you can just put simple tasks. So we can add a task, and my task will be to make tips video. So I can do that, and then when I'm done, I can just click on it and it goes away. So over in your calendar, we'll switch over here. I have my group calendar that everybody can see. So JJ, Lisa, whomever is looking to do planning, I put things in there for that. Or I make my own calendars to put personal reminders on. We have the holidays and the master calendar that they put in here. So what I like to do, especially for reminders, is I'll just pick today, tomorrow, and I'll put send tips email. Oops, I can spell. And then I will click down here so that it's just on my personal reminders. That means nobody else can see it. If you just leave it whole day, you get the big one. If you want more options, if you want it to remind you at, say, 10 o'clock, then you can do that. You can also choose to let you know 10 minutes ahead of time, or however often you want to do that. And for some reason, so those are just some quick little tips on how to write yourself notes, give yourself reminders. If you put it on the calendar, it's going to pop up and let you know ahead of time. If you put it next to you on your Gmail, you can look at these things at a glance, or if you want to be able to look at it offline, then you can put it in sticky notes. So I hope that helps everybody. And I lost the button to turn this off. Sorry.